Hello and welcome to this Pearson Primary Geography Unit Briefing. In this video I'll be taking you through our unit on population. The national curriculum is clear that pupils should locate the world's countries using maps to focus on Europe, including the location of Russia, and North and South America, concentrating on their environmental regions, key physical and human characteristics, countries and major cities. In this unit, pupils will consider the population density and distribution across the world, including in the United Kingdom, which will support pupils' locational knowledge and their ability to name and locate counties and cities of the United Kingdom, geographical regions and their identifying human and physical characteristics, and land use patterns, as well as understand how some of these aspects have changed over time, which is another key national curriculum requirement. So, let's take a closer look at the work booklet that pupils will complete as they move through this unit. The booklet begins with a knowledge organiser, which sets out the technical vocabulary that will be used in this unit, as well as a graph which shows how global population has increased over time, and the forecast population numbers over the next century. Each of the lessons is framed around an inquiry question. It may be helpful to share this question at the beginning of the lesson to frame the learning, as well as ending the lesson by having pupils jot their key reflections in the learning review column here. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these lessons in turn. The first lesson asks, where do people live around the world? This lesson builds on and deepens pupils' knowledge of population density and distribution around the world, which was first taught during the unit on villages, towns and cities. Lesson 2 asks, how and why has population changed? Pupils will get a stronger grasp on some of the statistics around population change, both globally and within the UK, before learning some of the key terms which help us to describe population, such as birth rates and death rates, and the factors that are associated with these. Lesson 3 asks, what are the challenges of an ageing population? Pupils will learn about the countries with an ageing population, with a key focus on Japan. The pressures that are caused by an ageing population will be explored, including increased healthcare costs and a smaller proportion in the workforce. Lesson 4 asks, how is a population pyramid created? Pupils will be introduced to a special kind of graph called a population pyramid, which helps geographers to see clearly the distribution of population in terms of age and gender. They'll have a go at constructing their own population pyramids, which should allow them to use their mathematical knowledge alongside their geographical skills. Lesson 5 asks, what are the best ways to feed the planet? This lesson encourages pupils to understand the distribution of one of the world's most important resources, food. Pupils will see that there is enough food produced globally to feed everyone on the planet, that many countries and regions are at risk of food insecurity. Some potential solutions, including more innovative farming practices, will be set out. And the final lesson, lesson 6, gives pupils the statement, population increase is one of the greatest risks to the planet. Do you agree? Pupils will apply all of their knowledge about growing population and the challenges this presents, alongside their own judgment of how able we are to meet these challenges. A vocabulary bank and planning strip is provided to support pupils with this. We hope that you enjoy teaching this unit on population and that your students enjoy learning all about it. The video ends here.